Should Australia be subsidising clean coal? This is the question that's been asked in recent weeks. With the power disruptions in South Australia and increasing energy prices, people are asking these questions. They also still want something done about climate change. So is clean coal an answer? Well, it does seem like the perfect solution. We have an awful lot of coal that's in the ground, and coal is very cheap. And we can see from Japan that clean coal technology or low emissions technology can work. And it doesn't have all of the problems of renewables, such as that they're not intermittent, that it can provide a base load power, which at present the renewable energy technology just can't do. However, we shouldn't be seduced by simple seeming solutions. These are the same mistake people make with things like high-speed rail or turning back the rivers. The simple thing is at the centrally at a high level, we don't know what the right energy is. Friedrich Hayek explained a concept called local knowledge, which basically means that central planning simply can't work because knowledge is spread out throughout thousands and hundreds of people. So in the state of Queensland, for example, this would be many engineers, economists, investors who invest in different types of technology, and different solutions in different parts of our energy grid would be appropriate. So what this means is that simply picking clean coal and deciding to subsidising it or renewable energy is actually harmful. It's actually going to result in a less optimal outcome than what would happen if we let the market decide. And that's what we need to do. We need to let investors, let engineers decide what the right technology is. As the advocates of renewable energy continue to point out, the technology is getting cheaper and cheaper. And I know personally one person who was off the grid, bought a property off the grid, and for that particular person, solar power and batteries was the right solution. So no one at Liberty Works is demonising renewable energy. However, we need to let markets decide. We've seen with projects like the NBN and countless other forms of central planning what happens when government thinks that it can pick winners. So my answer to should we subsidise clean coal? No, we shouldn't. We shouldn't subsidise any energy. And if we are subsidising forms of energy at the moment, whether that be renewable, whether that be coal, whether that be gas, we need to stop. We need to let investors, let markets, and let consumers decide what the right energy is.